Hello guys, welcome to Trade channel. Guys, many people say that get money from trading is very easy, but not at all is true. That's why today I want to make video special for this forex. How to trade forex safely? Just follow this young trader's advice. Becoming a forex trader is not an easy matter, and at the same time it cannot be used as a trial and error event. Knowledge, accuracy, and prudence are needed, because without it all, the money traded will run out in an instant. This also happened to Vicky Neldi, a man born in Bandung on March 15, 1992 from Indonesia. Vicky had experienced loss while trying to participate in forex trading. Vicky admitted that this could happen because of his carelessness and ignorance in the forex world. Vicky really likes the world of finance and investment, especially forex. Even when he was in college, this man, who studied at the Maranatha Christian University, had the courage to trade. Unfortunately, at that time, I suffered a fairly large loss, namely 30% of the capital I had. The condition at the time made me feel down, plus the lectures that had not been completed, he said. However, he did not give up on the circumstance. Vicky also focused on the forex world for 5 years and began to become a trader at several well-known stock companies in Indonesia, thanks to hard work and never giving up. He is now a very successful pro trader. Vicky's income in 1 month now ranks from 15% to 25% of the capital. Not only that, Vicky already has several alumni of his own with the same income as himself. Vicky showed the results of his business that fell through and was successful in the world of economy, especially in forex. Now, Vicky has become a pro trader at Trident's Trading Academy. Here, how Vicky reverses losses that could occur in forex trading. First, becoming more patient. Patience is a must-have for anyone who is trading. With patience, we can be calmer in making choices in trading. This is very useful so that we can reduce the risk of loss later. Second, strengthen analysis, money management, and psychology. Forex trading is not a gamble or spot bet again that allow us to make choices arbitrarily just by counting button. Unlike gambling or slot games, forex trading is something that can be analyzed in detail with other materials related to forex itself. Not only that, you also have to pay attention to finance in trading. This is done so that you can manage your finance very well and correctly. Not less important, that psychological aspect of trading is also very necessary so that you have a good mood, which is good and ready at any time when facing a large enough loss. Third, learn from experience. The greatest teacher is experience. This also applies when you trade forex. When you experience loss, you must be able to learn and find out where the error lies. This is useful so that you don't repeat the mistake in the future. Check other news and articles on Google News. What about you? Just tell me if you any suggest in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. We are from Trade channel. See you. Bye bye.